Second, with regards to the issue of the supposed entrapment gagawin kay Senator Ralph, kay E.S. Ralph, and eventually it leaked that it was target rin kami ni Vince Dizon, ni Wendy Boying, and others. I would like to think that si Congressman Legarda is a better person. But to get to the bottom of it, kailangan makita natin talaga kung ano ang nilalaman ng statement ni Congressman Jing Paras, former Congressman Jing Paras. It seems like siya ang pasimuno nito, siya ang connect sa Bugaw, ang Bugaw ang nagsabi ko ano ang plano, at siya ang nagbanggit lang ng pangalan ni Congressman Biste ay si Jing Paras. So Jing Paras is the person of interest, iniimbestigahan namin, and we are considering filing charges of human trafficking against him.